So there you go. The Kick-Ass Outback Proof Gear dual zone chiller, which is a 75 litre. So it's just arrived at the door now. The box is in perfect condition, no damage at all. And we just cut the straps. Nice foam packing inside. There's the chiller. Nice supportive corner brackets to give the box some strength and support, prevent the chiller getting damaged, so that's really good. Packaging is 10 out of 10 actually. Now I'll cut down the sides, just so I can lift the chiller out. Oh, beautiful. Actually just lifts off. Could save myself a bit of work. Oh, that's excellent. The box just wraps away, so the chiller's actually in a tray. More packaging. Wowee. I've got to say, packaging is 100%. Now we can put the chiller. That's the unboxing done. I'll just turn that around and get a front view of the chiller. Freezer. It's a beauty. Nice sprung loaded handles. Protection corners, top and bottom. There's one zone. Love these clips too, these are brilliant. There's the second zone. And inside we've got the protective case, which comes with the Kick-Ass dual zone chiller. Freezer. And inside we've got a box which will be the power cables for the chiller. Yeah. So we've got a mains 240 volt, a 230 volt, and then we've also got a couple of connections in here with the Anderson plugs on them, which is pretty good. I'll just put that aside for now. So there's our baskets. We've got a nice big basket in one side of the larger compartment, which goes from top to bottom, and we've got another smaller one inside. And then we've got stackable ones in the smaller compartment. So there's one, and there's two. I notice there's also a bung in each compartment in the bottom, so you can actually drain them out. So there's a bung in each of the chambers, the zones. Boy, I'll tell you what, these are quality. They really are. Nice proper rubber seal all the way around the perimeter here and here. Nice little stays. And then you've got these clips which are sort of sprung loaded as well. And little handles to actually lift the lids up. And then we've got the control panel down the bottom there. and there's also a couple of 12 volt outputs, as well as a couple of USB chargers in there as well. And then we've got the controls for the for both zones. It's also Bluetooth enabled, so you can actually control it from your phone, I believe. I'll have to download the app and try that out. But boy, I'll tell you what, it's an awesome piece of kit. I'm really looking forward to using it. Okay, thanks very much. Thanks very much, Kick-Ass. You've got it here in one piece. It looks great. Thank you.